Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo don announce say federal government and Edo State don form joint committee wey go find out wetin really happen for the killings of hunters wey occur for UROMI. Governor Okpebholo yarn this one on Thursday when delegation from Kano State wey Deputy Governor Comrade Aminu Abdulsalam Gwarzo lead come visit am for Government House, Benin City. Oga Governor tok say Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey seriously worried on top the matter and e no go rest until justice and security dey for everybody. E tok say dem don set up committee to find the real cause and bring better solution, say the report wey the delegation bring come go help the process and dem go do everything open and clear. Governor Okpebholo still tok say Edo State still dey committed to peace and better relationship, especially as dem get strong trade and business connection with Kano State.
Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Kano State, I appreciate you. Last time I was with you in Kano, and I felt so much at home after living Kano for a very long time. And when I got to Kano, it's like I was also still in Benin. Let me thank the Governor of Kano State for his hospitality. I'm very happy, particularly because this incident that has happened has opened our eyes and it has addressed so many issues in this country. I spoke with the NSA yesterday night at about 11 o'clock and he felt so bad. The president is not in the country at the moment, but the president is not happy with what has happened. He wants to personally see an end to all these issues. I want to also let you know that the president and Edo State, we are setting up a committee to look into the remote cause of this issue and put a lasting solution to it. This report will actually help us so that we don't have to bother you so much. A lot will be done, a lot will be discussed. It will be open to the public to see what the committee will come up with at the end of the day. I'm happy to receive you to Edo State. I'm glad that you are here to see how we look like. We love people, we love our neighbors. Kano has been part of Edo State because of commerce.
Kano Deputy Governor Comrade Aminu Abdulsalam Gwarzo come thank Governor Okpebholo for the visit wey make come Kano and the way they try make peace reign after the incident. E tok say the Kano State government form one committee wey identify the people wey kpai and the ones wey survive and say 16 people from 5 local government areas from Kano na kpai. E come also here and say them don't finish the verification and na the report them carry come give His Excellency Governor Monday Okpebholo and come beg am say make justice and truth show for the matter.
His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Kano State, has asked me to once again convey his warm felicitations with you and his appreciation for the visit. It was wonderful. It was heartwarming. It was nerve-calming. We sincerely thank you so much for the time you took to face that visit. His Excellency has also asked me to once again thank you for the way you have handled these unfortunate incidents, which we will continue to pray that it will never occur anywhere again in this country. We really appreciate your visit. We appreciate your sympathy and empathy. We appreciate your concern. And we appreciate the deliberate way you choose to handle the whole issue so that the entire nation can see what needs to be done. You have been doing it, and we thank God since are very much under control. When you were in Kano, we traveled with you to the rural areas where these victims came from. And it took us a very long time through very rough roads. And we were finally there. You are very efficient. The people were assembled thank God you have seen them, you have seen and heard their expressions. And we thank you for going on the podium to address them yourself also. We felt and still believe that together we continue to cooperate, support each other to ensure that these unfortunate incidents never happen anywhere again. And for each such incidents, positive or negative, there are some drivable benefits if proper steps are taken that can be derived. I think because of what has happened, unfortunate as it is, it has opened a lot of windows for us to see ourselves and to come close to each other and continue to collaborate for the unity and development of our respective states and the nation at large. So, Your Excellency, as you were informed when you were in Kano, a committee was already set in place to screen and verify and establish truly names of the victims, the number of the victims, those who have lost their lives, their next of kings, and those who survived. We are able to compile a report after you left. The committee submitted its report, and I decided on the governor's instruction to come with the report raw as it is and present it to you. We have already been assured by His Excellency when he was in Kano and even before he left Edo that justice will be done and justice will be seen to have been done. The victims will not be left to their flight. Both those who lost their lives and those who survived the unfortunate incidents. So I'm reiterating our pledge to the people that justice will be done. And thank God some arrests were made and further investigations are going on. We would like to have a very transparent process whereby people will be kept informed as to what is going on, what is being done. That we believe will go a long way in assuring and reassuring the relatives of those who have lost their lives and those who sustained some level of injuries and those who went through the trauma. We have been assured and we have every reason to believe what His Excellency, the Governor, has been saying and has been doing. We will continue to pray that justice will be done and done as soon as possible. The victims in the state came from 5 local governments. The one we went through was His Excellency, then Rano local government, Kibia local government, Dawakin Kudu local government, and Garko local government. We have 7 victims who lost their lives from Bunkuri. We have 6 from Kibia. We have 1 from Ranu, 1 from Dawakinkudu, and 1 victim from Garko, making a total of 16 of them. We are here as promised by His Excellency that we will come and meet you, commiserate with you because the incidents happened in your state, and meet the people and visit the graves of those who have lost their lives with UROMI, and present this report submitted by the committee said by His Excellency, the Governor of Kano State. I think in view of time issue, we are supposed to be on our way to UROMI, and the time is very tight. Your Excellency, we really appreciate you. We appreciate all the steps you have been taken, and we thank you for all you have been doing. We continue to urge and seek for justice to be done to the families of the deceased ones and those who have sustained various levels of injuries. We continue to pray that this will never happen again. Your Excellency, we thank you very much for the reception. We thank you very much for your very precious time.
Omuge people wait and that for the meeting now. Edo Deputy Governor Right Honorable Dennis Idausa, Speaker of Edo State House of Assembly Right Honorable Blessing Agbebaku, security people and other government officials from both Edo and Kano states. The delegation can later waka enter UROMI, go meet with the Hausa community people where they there. Make una no forget say, as we see them, now so we they talk 'em. We know the take blame. A Kata Ojusoli, TMC News.